YouTube. Oh God. Say hi to YouTube. Hi YouTube. Wait, smile. Look at that big gap between your teeth. What time is it right now? It's time for us to work on our project. Yeah, we're doing a project on European explorers for nuns. He didn't finish filling that project. Ooh, look at my day drawings. Ooh, I'm ready to go. I'm drawing. I'm drawing too. Ooh, it goes in a circle. Whee! I have new writing again. I have new coloring again. Look at that coloring. I'm not finished with it. I'm back. You didn't do anything. Interesting. I know it's supposed to be working. Bye-bye. Quick color! Hey, look what we're drawing. We're almost done. Look how big you are. Can you stop? No! I'm not bite you. So, look. We made it all colorful. You probably just spread the ink all over it. Yeah? Turn it over. No, there's no ink on the paper. Can you spread the ink on the paper? Did you see what I did to the table, Lisa? I tried to clean it with an SMS. I scraped the whole color off of it. Wait, turn the paper over. I want to show YouTube. Okay? Sit down, okay? It's a big anyway. Coolio. Let's try it upside down so you can't say real. Okay, now it's yeah! It's Saturday. I've been in school for a week now. I'm in school. I love school, actually. He's weird. I want to take videos of my school photos, though. I'm not gonna put the name of it, though. Why not? Because then people will stalk me. Why? Because that's what people on YouTube do. Oh my gosh, my giant ears. Oh my gosh, around! Ooh, all my pretty colored pencils that I messed up for her. Here's my algebra book. Lisa, I take advanced algebra. And then I have my good children social studies book. I'm in social studies and management working on a project. I got my binder. Yeah. I'm done. Cool, we're done. Yay! Now I don't do. Third part is my homework. These are my guy friends. John's right there. These are my girls. That's my classes. And Bob and that's my trademark. Oh yeah. Got my Vans on, but they look like sneakers. My Vans are cleaner. Oh, food, sweetness. Yeah. What they look like? Sneakers? What? Yeah, that's it. And John? I would have never met John if it wasn't for Gary. Who fixed what? He fixed it. Hey, look at the colors! I moved two of them. And he fixed it. Awesome. But yeah, do this. That's my cool drawing, and then I wrote all that. I wrote that too, but he colored it. Yeah, actually, I colored this. He colored that and that. Okay, bye, bye. Oh no, he's still watching talking. Yay. And then I have this really cool Warner Brothers backpack that I got at Warner Brothers Studios. And I have like my purse, and I have a mask on me. And I have all these papers and stuff. Wait! He's very proud that I did the work for him.